is brought to you by Jum Jum. Safer, faster, smarter.
Immediately deciding off of that kick.
Catches the kick, gets in the clinch.
This guy
Norbu
is
is trying.
very strong for a 17-year-old man.
He is. He's using the cage really wisely and goes for the double leg, locks his hand, and that's
He
a
secures
sure
the takedown.
takedown. That's a
1
sure.
for 1 for Jordan Tendar.
Tej, I tell all my fighters, you have to lock that hand to get the takedown, bro, because then it becomes super difficult to defend the takedown.
And people watching at home, don't forget, Jordan is just 17 years of age.
His head is super low right now trying to defend this. His visor is almost non-existent.
What does
And
Norbu
once-
need to do to escape from this position?
He has to first win the battles at many levels. He's allowing him to lock the hands every single time, which is getting him taken down very, very easily. So we can see that this 17-year-old has his preparation. He has done his homework, and he's doing a good job of controlling him against the cage. Although he has lost the underhook on one side, which is allowing Norbu to come up over, and now he has gotten to his feet.
Like Jordan said, he will dictate where the fight goes, and that's exactly what he's doing right now.
He's pressing up against the cage, his knees in the center. You can see he's splitting the legs of his opponent, trying to lock that hands once again. But this time he has gotten an underhook, Norbu.
Good knee by
and
Norbu.
that good knees to break the
They're
clinch.
separate. Ooh, good kick by Jordan. Southpaw versus Orthodox.
Jordan also needs to, Norbu also needs to keep a check on his gas tank because Jordan can go all night, man.
Norbu switching stances. Good jab by Jordan.
100%, man. These grappler heavy guys,
Ooh!
they have some insane cardio, but they have to watch out those big shots that Norbu will fire back at him whenever he tries to close the distance.
Outside leg kick by Norbu.
Oh, a missed left hook by Jordan.
Man, Norbu is a boxer, so I would advise Jordan not to play his game and go for the takedowns.
Norbu is switching his stance. You can see that again. He switches to southpaw, and now he changes his power hand, which kind
good
of
leg kick.
confuses Jordan.
Good body kick by Jordan. Oh,
Once again, tries to attempt for a shot.
Good takedown defense by Norbu.
Norbu keeping his hands inside, winning the inside position, dominating the inside space, and that is what you have to do to not allow them to lock their hands together. He has the underhooks on both sides. He can use that to reverse and disengage. Beautiful job. Good takedown defense by Norbu.
This is what he does, man. He gets into the head of his opponents, and Jordan needs to be careful not to let his opponent dictate that.
Right, that's the end. That's last 10 seconds of this round.
Jordan with the feints. Oh, good round by this young
Good
gentleman.
first round, good first round. I think Norbu has gained a lot of confidence by defending those last two takedowns.
Round 2 is brought to you by Paradigm Sports Network.
Let's go.
Once again, switches to the orthodox from the southpaw
Good
and
combination
lands a
by
good
Norbu.
1-2. Jordan needs to use his strikes as a timing for the takedown. I think that is what will get him the takedown over
good
here.
jab.
And there he attempts it. The overextension of Norbu is where he'll be most vulnerable.
Good body kick by Jordan.
Quick jab to escape.
Nice inside leg kick.
Answered by Norbu as well. Jordan is pushing, Norbu is pushing Jordan to the cage.
Good exchange of jabs over there, guys.
You can see Jordan's long jabs touching Jin every time he gets, and I think he's starting to look a little frustrated right now.
Here's the thing, like Jordan is so comfortable in his takedown game or the grappling game that he is willingly putting his back against the cage, which is bad. If Norbu starts to exploit it by going in for his own takedowns, that's where it will become interesting. Right now, he's just striking with Jordan. Good level change, shots to the body attempt.
Norbu is swinging for the fences, bro. Good outside leg kick by Jordan.
And he made the mistake by trying to rush in for some shots. Gets put
Over under
against the
for-
cage.
We got over under for Jordan.
He has to get out of there. If he stays there, once again we'll see a double leg attempt. Tries to lock the hand. If he can get his lock,
Almost
hands
there, man.
locked.
He's almost there.
Almost there. Gets the grip, and now you'll see a takedown really quick. All he has to do is drag him away from the cage and pull his legs out of the base. Right there.
Jordan
Another
secures the third
successful-
takedown of the night.
Good job, good job. I think now what Norbu needs to do is let go of that underhook because that will keep him pinned right there. Those punches to the back have literally no impact. Jordan will try to welcome it, saying, yeah, throw more so that I can look to lock your legs as he's trying to do right now in half guard and stabilize the situation further.
And half guard is a very dominant position in MMA, lest we forget.
It is, bro. You can do massive ground and pound from there. A lot of deadly shots can be thrown. But he uses a good butterfly hook elevation to try to escape his hip. But right now he has got himself again in a bad position where his body is open for those knees of Jordan.
Jordan needs to exploit those knees some more.
What Jordan needs to do, what Norbu needs to do here is, oh, good reversal. But still his back is exposed.
Great
Let's see if
scramble by these guys, man.
He's trying to convert that single leg, but Jordan is right behind his elbows. Good job once again by both these guys. Norbu more in control of this round. What do you say?
Man, I think Norbu is. We've
Sorry,
seen
Jordan, my bad.
Yeah, I think I give the edge to Jordan as well.
that when it comes to the judges.
Third and final round, brought to you by Barmandu, food and drinks delivery.
Once again, southpaw stance for Norbu. This is where he's having most of his success with the southpaw.
Oh, that's a good
again.
cross by Norbu.
Desperate takedown attempt. Norbu said no.
And I had the opportunity to train and spar with Norbu, and Norbu hits like a brick, bro. He's so hard.
Once again, orthodox.
The stance switches are really playing with Jordan's mind.
Jordan is trying to do a good job circling out, but catches a body kick right as he was trying to exit. And once again, big shots, and that's where Jordan will find his openings for the takedown, for the level change. Oh, big right cross attempt.
He's doing a good job of rolling with those punches.
Right.
There's not much you can take after a certain point.
Southpaw again for Nobu. Nobu, look for the cross straight down the line.
Norbu looks confident, man, with his hands fully down.
Oh, good hooks.
And Norbu is taunting Jordan now.
They're saying, bring it on.
Hey, Jordan is not up for it.
You know, I like that taunt. That taunt is good because you get to put your hands on your knees and get a quick breather also.
This guy's
And that's a good jab by Jordan. And the crowd is going crazy right now.
Oh, hands low.
This is where Norbu, like he takes you to like a different level with his mental game.
Right.
Jordan needs to be careful not to get himself into those.
Jordan is playing a composed game, but he needs to throw his own jabs, set up his takedowns, rather than just shooting out in the wide. He can catch those uppercuts if Norbu can time it well.
And Norbu is pushing the pace right now.
Oh, once again, right in front of us. That glancing left hook,
Oh!
man.
And he goes into the center of the ring. And Jordan kindly refuses.
Follow it.
Fight your fight. You bring the fight to me.
Crowd's going crazy, man.
He has to be careful. Once again, lock up the hand. He is going down. The hands are not locked.
That stuff is not gonna work.
The underhook is deep, but he has to lock the hands once again for a takedown. He has locked it. Consider a takedown done anytime soon. He needs to pull his legs away from the cage.
And that's a good takedown defense by Norbu. What does he need to do to secure a
Norbu
takedown?
needs to pull him up, and what Jordan needs to do is pull his legs right away from the cage. That cage is helping him out standing right now. And now, as you see, he lets go of the takedown attempts. Maybe his grip was not strong enough, or he does not
Final
have the
10 seconds
energy.
of the third round.
Loses the underhook. He might lose the position very, very quickly. I think he's gassing out as well at this stage.
What a fight, man. What a fight.
Amazing fight.
These young men left it all on the cage. And we have nothing but pure respect and admiration for these two young killers.
That's a tough fight to score, man. With Jordan having success with those takedowns,
I think Jordan did enough to get a win, bro.
Norbu winning the crowd over at the end. I don't know, man. That's a difficult fight to score.
We are waiting. Judges are taking their time, bro. They are taking their time for this fight.
They should, man. They should reconsider because this crowd is gonna.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have your winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Jordan Tendo.
The 17-year-old edges out Norbujin Tamang. And we hear a couple of boos in the crowd. What do you think about it?
Man, I think that's just favoritism from the crowd.